Hey, I'm meteorologist Chad Garno, and welcome to the Arkansas Extreme Weather Blog for January 6, 2011. A lot of questions swirling about what's going to happen with our weather next week. Are we going to see snow? What about freezing rain? And when's this big Arctic blast going to come through this country? We'll get to all that in just a few minutes. First, our tower cam shots. Arkadelphia, looking sunny there at Henderson State. Not a cloud in sight. We got the same scenery here in the morning outside of our Fox 16 studio. Blue skies there, and just a good start to your morning. Visible satellite confirms that across the state, just a few high clouds north of Fayetteville. And we're going to keep up with the sunshine into the afternoon period. Of course, this is looking at just a projection from a computer model, and maybe some high clouds in northeast Arkansas around 2 p.m. It's a question mark there. Current temperatures as of 10 o'clock this morning, 47 degrees in Little Rock, 44 in Russellville. Upper 30s, though, in Fayetteville. They're kind of lagging behind at this point. They need to get with it here. As we get into the afternoon, we've got model projections saying we're going to be in the mid-50s. We'll agree with that. 56 bullseye there over Little Rock, and getting close to 60 in Monticello. Upper 40s for the far northeast side of the state. GFS, we're looking at some long-term models now, and it shows the same thing for Thursday. We got sunshine, temperatures generally hitting the 50s. Friday could be slightly warmer with the isotherms lifting northward, although with the northwest flow, we could have temperatures easily still in the mid-50s, but can't rule out upper 50s close to 60 in central Arkansas, and take note of the Great Lake effect snow that's taking place there in the Great Lakes region. Saturday, we're looking dry. We've got increasing clouds later in the afternoon hours with temperatures struggling to get back to 50. Could be slightly below that in the upper 40s at this point. All right, let's get to the good stuff here. This is going into Sunday morning, and we had a big area of low pressure that was over the Pacific coast. That's going to open up as this trough here, and it's going to be southwest of Arkansas. This is going to lead us to believe that we're going to have a strong area of low pressure here at the surface near the southeast part of the state of Texas. And once you know it, there it is. Right over Houston, we've got some thunderstorms there. We've got light showers in southern Arkansas. That's right, I said southern Arkansas, we've got showers. So no snow being projected by the GFS for Sunday morning. You can knock that out. 12 p.m., the low-pressure system is well south of Louisiana. We've got the heavier precip in the state of Louisiana, and we've got light showers still in southern Arkansas. So no chance of snow Sunday morning, according to this run. Maybe some light flurries in the northwest edge, if you're looking for that. And then going into Sunday evening, 6 p.m., it keeps the low over New Orleans. And for us, we've just got some light showers in southeast Arkansas, maybe a few light flurries trying to transfer over there in the central part of the state. And take note of the second snowstorm there in the Colorado Rockies. That will try to swing through here as we get into early Tuesday morning. All right, let's see what the European says. Does it agree with the GFS? Sort of. The low is over southeast Texas at 6 a.m. We've got light to moderate showers in southern Arkansas. So without a doubt, looks like light to moderate showers is the forecast for Sunday morning. Sunday, around the lunchtime, we've got the low over Houston and the southwest part of Louisiana. More rain showers for central and southwest Arkansas. No threat of snow, judging by this model run. We go into 6 p.m. Sunday, and this is showing the low not south of Louisiana, but in Louisiana, right over on top of the state. And if this is true, we're going to have some heavy rain over central Arkansas, and this could be eventually turning over to some big snowflakes. Nothing accumulating on the ground, but something to look at for 6 p.m. for Sunday. What are we going to agree with? We're going to say we're going to have rain showers southern Arkansas in the morning. Could see some more rain in central Arkansas, and there is the possibility of it transferring over to snow. Not freezing rain, snow possible for Sunday evening. Now, the European is showing us this solution. The low is not south of the United States and in the central of the Gulf area, but actually over Mobile at midnight of Tuesday, and it's giving, Monday, this is Monday morning around the midnight hour, and it gives us snow, a good chunk of it, over the state. And judging the temperatures, there won't be a lot of the snow sticking to the ground, but there could be enough for a good 1 to 2, possible in the northeast side to see maybe even 3 inches of snow going into Monday morning. Of course, this is just one model solution. We're going to certainly mention snow Sunday night into Monday morning, as it will be cold enough for that, and the timing of this low and where it goes, it's not out of the question. So take note, we're going to possibly have some snow going into Monday morning. All right, let's take a look at the experimental FIM. This is from the same guys who make the Ruck, and we're just checking this to see if the European or GFS is doing a great job of depicting the low, and it gets the position of the low semi-right, keeps it in the southeast part of Texas. This is looking at 12 p.m. for Sunday, and there is already some light snow in Arkansas, and you can see more snow in southern Arkansas as we get toward the evening hours. So we're going to just go with that and just say, again, some light moderate showers southern Arkansas for Sunday, transferring over to snow Sunday evening into Monday morning. The amounts, still too hard to decipher. Monday, we're going to have the low depart to our east. We've got another snowstorm going over Oklahoma into Kansas. This is switching over to the GFS, and there is the possibility of some light flurries in north and northwest Arkansas. Better energy in the upper levels of the atmosphere will be coming in for Tuesday around midnight. I was hinting at this. Tuesday morning, you can see right around the midnight period for the GFS, it's showing us some swath of snow in northern Arkansas, and this would be suggesting that we could get 1 to 2 inches out of this system early in the morning hours. And this is where the commute could be bad Tuesday morning, because the air will definitely be cold enough for the snow, and it will be sticking on the ground. European is not really going nuts over snow on Tuesday early in the morning time. It's bringing us just some light flurries in the northwest section of the state. We're going to mention slight snow in northern Arkansas. We're not going to favor so much the European on this particular output. And going into Tuesday afternoon, we may not agree with this either. The snow system completely just fades away, moves over to the east. We've got a big nor'easter over toward the east coast, and for us, we just got to deal with some cold air as we get into Tuesday afternoon. Temperatures in the mid-upper 30s, and then we're socked in the 30s here, near freezing in the afternoon for Wednesday, looking dry on this run. And then this is different from the GFS, showing snow for Thursday afternoon of next week. We're not going to put in the forecast. This is the first time we've seen it, so if we see it in future runs, we'll mention it, but for right now, we'll hold back on that. And, of course, a big snowstorm over the Great Lakes. Well, for us, we just got light rain showers going into next week, Saturday. Again, we're going to hold off on that because this is the first time we're seeing it from this model. All right, that is it from the Arkansas Extreme Weather blog for today. I'll have more posts on the blog in the coming days. Until then, be sure to watch Jeff Baskin this evening at 5, 9, and 10. Thanks for taking the time out of your day, and have a wonderful afternoon.